Hello, everybody. My name is Daniel Acosta. I'm a researcher at First Draft, and I do investigations around disinformation in Latinx communities in the US. And I just want to show you a small trick that I have in mind every time I do a Boolean search during my research. And I do a lot of bilingual and research in Spanish because it's, of course, important in the Latinx communities in the US. So when we're researching about the vaccine, I usually have in mind words that are important and related to the vaccine. And in Spanish, vaccine or vacuna is also the means of the products that comes from the cow. So I have to be really careful in choosing my Boolean operators to limit the scope of my search and actually get the results that I want and I need. So I have this really simple Boolean that includes the words vacuna or vaccine. And I also have inyección and inyección. And why do I have this? This is actually a grammar mistake, but in online conversations, people make mistakes as well. And they will usually get grammar wrong, as everybody do every once in a while. So it's important and it's a good trick to include common misspellings of important keywords that you're using. So you will actually have the whole conversation, not those instances in which people do remember how to spell a hard word. So I have these results, but I had some trouble as I told you, vacuna also means the products from the cow, and I get some advertisement from hamburger places or from veterinary doctors' offices. So I'll just go ahead and add the not to my Boolean, and then in parentheses, use the words I don't want to see on my search and add them there, and then start again. So now in my Boolean search, I won't have any of those posts that I'm really not interested in. And if I see, for instance, we have a meme here, maybe I'm not interested in, and the keyword sounds simple, but it's just somebody laughing, I can add or somebody laughing. Uh, and then the next time I actually look for my search, I will delete those comments in which somebody is laughing or something like that. So there's several ways to actually change or the scope of our Boolean, and adding the words you don't want to see. It's really useful to have a cleaner slate of results.